Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is JC. If you're over 50 and you're wondering whether AI is actually worth your time, or if you've got an Etsy shop that you're trying to get off the ground and hopefully make some extra income, maybe to supplement your Social Security, maybe some vacation money, who knows, okay, then I hope that this channel is for you. You're in the right spot, so welcome to the channel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this channel is about and whether it is for you. Also, if you appreciate honesty and the type of content that I hope to give you, and I know there's no content yet, I do have some of my Etsy shop listings, right? I hope you will tap that like button and subscribe. Quick introduction. I'm a retired accountant. I have been crunching those numbers for 30 years for other people, and now because of early retirement due to some health issues, I'm doing something totally different. I am actually learning AI, believe it or not. I'm learning AI tools, mainly Claude and Claude skills, and hopefully by creating these skills and these apps, it might help me fix my Etsy shop, which right now is doing really not that great, not gonna lie. I didn't grow up with this stuff, right? This stuff is new to me, so I'm kind of learning in real time, and hopefully you will be also learning in real time at the same time, right? Hey, gotta be honest with you, some days it works great, some days it completely falls apart. You know, this is like a love-hate relationship, right? So this channel is not about making a specific amount of money, right? I'm not gonna BS you and tell you that I'm making $100,000 a month or $20,000 a month. Right now, I'm struggling to get a sale. Like, I am pretty sure most of you who have started an Etsy shop, all the experts out there make it seem like it's easy, and it might be easy. I don't know. Maybe it's me. But you're not going to learn how to make XYZ in 30 days, right? But you will see me struggle. You will see me create and use the apps that I put together. I am fine-tuning, and hopefully I'll be able to have them available to the public. You'll see me use them to edit my shop, create listings, analyze listings, right? And hopefully to show you that, hey man, you can still teach an old dog a trick, all right? Just a little quick break. If you like honesty and this sounds like something you'd like to follow and you want to see my journey, and who knows, maybe I might become successful. Maybe one day I will have a video that says how I made $100,000 with POD on Etsy, but that's not it right now. But if you want some honest videos on learning AI for your Etsy shop, you want to hang out with an old dude, then hit subscribe. It's gonna be a wild ride. Okay, so I'm actually going to be attempting building AI power tools. I have a whole list of power tools that I have put together. Some of the tools that I've created and I am testing right now. I've got a beast tag, which is a gym slogan and workout apparel generator. I got a POD design remix. I got an Etsy I've got an Etsy SEO for my apparel and mugs, because I basically do mainly apparels and mugs. I got a mock-up prompt generator that I give it a t-shirt design, and it will give me some prompts that I can then use with you know, those AI image generators and create some mock-ups, because in all reality most of the mock-ups on Etsy are boring. I've got a Pinterest pin generator. You give it the picture of your listing and it creates a pin. I've got an Etsy listing analyzer, aka audit. Boy, that sucker is brutally honest. It will look at a listing and it'll break it down. It once gave me a 16-page report on one of my listings. Let me tell you, it wasn't a good report. I got a general slogan creator, a beast tag, and an Etsy product research strategist. But this is mainly as you give it a little bit information about yourself, and it will, you know, give you some feedback and tell you what might be a good niche for you to open your shop on, right? I've also designed a whole bunch of apps with Gemini, aka AI Studio, okay, which I will be showing. So this is a channel for basically anyone that's 50 or over and wants to learn AI and possibly either open up an Etsy store or figure out how to fix their Etsy store, you know, to help you make some income, like I said before. So that's the channel. It's not a get rich quick promise. It's and it's by somebody who is struggling every day, right? Who has what they call information overload, right? If you listen to all the experts, boy, your brain is going to fry. So I'm just an honest over 50 accountant who's learning AI and e-commerce. One mistake, one real mistake, and one real fix at a time. And I hope to see you along that journey. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.